So one thing that's super important is layout, right? And we talk about how to identify not only for the trays to make ease of use, but laying out the design. So what's really important here, you can see our cabinet company has worked with our project manager. They've come out, this will be the island. And so you can see that they've laid out in detail exactly this island. We know the chases here, plumbing, electrical, the countertop overhang, it's identified. Our chase in here, the edge support for the island. So this is a very decorative island. It's very specific. It's going to have some elements of cabinetry, plumbing, mechanical, and then the countertop. One of the benefits to laying it out now and understanding exactly its layout, now as we start looking at the ceiling details, our beams, our can lights, our pendants, we know exactly where it's going to be. So you'll also notice that from framing that we're laying out our girders and that spacing, so we know where that's at. We're identifying room locations, so we're letting the subs know every room location. We're giving bedrooms a name, we're giving hallways a name, and the reason being that as you go through the design book and plans, each of these rooms, each of these designs has a very specific element to it. And so we don't want any confusion whether we say bed 1, 2, and 3, that can get very confusing, so we actually name the bedrooms. Some of the clients will allow us to use the actual names of their children, but some of them, for proprietary or just out of safety, will have us give it a different name and we'll name them ourselves. We'll put on the plans, put on the specs, and put on the ground. That way there's no confusion, and it just creates a process now where our management, our teams can be out here, work efficiently, and then it's less cost and less hiccups for us in the future, especially come frame stage or finish stage. As we start drywalling, the last thing you want to do is have to cut and move plumbing fixtures or lighting. There's a lot of cost involved, and this is a better way to refine that method.